Hey, what's up traders? Mike here with the watch list video for Friday, June 21st. Doesn't feel like a Friday because we had a holiday in the middle of the week. So definitely a weird week. The daily on the SPY here, we gapped up a bit, but put in a red candle on above average volume. You know what that means? Not much to me. I'm a day trader, right? We're still hanging out near all-time highs, but still maybe worth noting. I want to give Pat L, one of our somewhat newer members, a hat tip for NNE. All right, so we had it on watch because of the daily chart. That's how we roll. And he called it long right there through 14. And within a few minutes, it went to 15, right? So if you scaled out into that, as we teach, went to a break-even stop on whatever you had left, you stopped out the rest there flat, but you had a nice trade. And it ended up going to 1650. I also called a 15s buy zone on that one, which is right about here, right? Where that pullback somewhere around 1425-ish, and that got back up to, I don't know, 1560, so you could have had another decent trade there. But anyway, let me get into what we're watching for tomorrow. Maybe throw Chewy on there. First, let me throw that up real quick for newer members. Please pause the video and read that. Great description of what we do. All right, so Chewy, let's get back to the daily chart. There we go. All right, so Chewy had the big breakout yesterday and kind of a quiet inside day today. So we're looking for possible third day play to continue the upside. Zap, massive volume today. You know what? Let me go to 6-month candles instead. 6 month. Yeah, so it had a big rip, but closed way off its high. So when I look at this, I'm not really bullish on it because there's a lot of bag holders from today. But at the same time, it's still definitely an in-play stock. And man, did I miss a clean setup in this one today. So it's kind of put me in a mood all day. Anyway, so that one goes on watch. NNE, just continuing higher, strong stock. So it goes on watch. GOVX, big rip. I'm going to say yesterday, even though yesterday the market was closed, but you guys get it, right? Yesterday means the previous trading day. So GOVX, big rip yesterday. Quiet inside day today, looking for a possible third day play there. BTTR, nice volume today, closing way off its highs, but I'm a day trader, so I'm going to put it on watch. PENN, I believe had a buyout rumor in it, if I'm not mistaken. I had to leave early today, so I wasn't around for that, but certainly could continue tomorrow. LGVN is holding up really well. You had the big rip, pulled back, holding the 8-day and starting to curl back up. So that one goes back on long watch. AISP, kind of an interesting chart here, put the horizontal line. Today it did briefly break this high from about a week ago, but I still want to keep it on watch because it's kind of hanging out near a little mini breakout there. FEMY, nice pop today on good volume, could have a follow-through day. GILD, which is Gilead, big volume today. Might have a follow-through day tomorrow. BTDR, also kind of interesting over this level, right? This was the level back here, and we came up to it and chopping around, so it's very close to a possible breakout. I always want to use that word, possible. CORZ, just goes back on bounce watch. We had it on bounce watch today. Pulled back, didn't give any kind of a setup that we look for, but it's holding up really well. And then lastly, SPEC, which is an ugly daily chart. But as I'm talking to you, this thing went to 84 cents in after hours. And as I'm talking to you, it's at 74 cents. So if it's still gapping in the morning, they did have a headline, 8K settlement agreement and asset purchase agreement. So certainly worth watching tomorrow for a potential gapper. That's it. We'll see you in chat tomorrow. We'll add other gappers together in the pre-market. Hopefully find some good trades tomorrow. See you guys.